On this short tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 ways to fix Instagram chats not showing. So the first way, guys, is you have to open the settings, go to the apps manager, open the apps on your phone. Now on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do here is very simple. Just wait a few seconds like this and then scroll until you find the Instagram app and click on it. Now all what you want to do here is click on the force stop option and then click on the storage, click on clear cache. That's the first solution. The second solution is you have to go into the settings again and then go to the wireless ad networks, go to the Wi-Fi and then disable it and wait 5 seconds and enable it again. And the third solution and the last one is you have to go into the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone and then update your Instagram into the latest version. Don't forget to like, subscribe.